now going to clean out the filter of my grandma's Siemens washing machine. So I'm going to take this off, so to make it a bit more easier. Then I'm going to take the stopcock bung here, then just pull out the bung of it, and then let all the water run into there, so it all runs away. And then what I'm going to do is turn on the pumper, just to pump out the leftover water from the sump, so it won't leak out on me. There we are, the water sump's now totally empty, so I'll just stop it there. And then put the little bung back in. And then I'm just going to tip away. Then I'm just going to tip away the water. And then underneath here, then I'm going to unscrew the filter thing here. Let all the residual water from that run in there too. And then, like again, I'm just going to restart it. There we are. Pump's now empty. And then I'll empty the residual water again. Just pause the camera for a second till I manoeuvre it into the sink position. Right, I'm going to have to do this quickly because my battery's running very low now. In fact, it's flashing, so if my camera cuts out, you'll probably explain why. So I'll just rinse the filter underneath here. In fact, I might turn the camera off just to make it restart battery.